We're pulling off after this. You doing the most. I'm the one putting people on it.
Hey, hey!
You the one putting people on it. You the one putting
Relax.
I'm the one putting it. Your turn.
On February 25th, 2024, a patrol officer responded to a single vehicle crash. The driver had struck a road median, suffered a blown tire, and was found seated in the passenger seat of her own vehicle. What followed raised questions about lawful compliance, Miranda procedure, and scene management under pressure.
Hey, how's it going? Is that your car? Were you just helping out? Or?
Yeah. She called me, said she had two flat. Well, she told me she had a flat tire.
Okay.
So she sent me her location, so I came, pulled up.
Okay. Are you dad? Okay. Do you know her?
Yeah, this friend. We was at the restaurant just a minute ago together.
Okay. Where's the driver at? Is that her? Why's she in the passenger seat? What did she hit?
Look like
Hello.
you can see the tire marks.
I'm the driver.
Look like
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm the driver. I'm just waiting on 8 on my double AA too.
Okay.
That's literally
What'd you hit?
the
look like
curve,
she hit the curve. You can
the
see tire
roundabout.
marks still.
Excuse me, sir. I hit the roundabout on some rest.
Okay,
On some
okay.
rest I hit the roundabout. Hello. Calling my mom. She's so mad at me. But
Yeah.
I'm the driver.
Okay, I got you. Do you mind just coming out of the car and talking?
Oh, yeah.
Why are you sitting in the passenger
Because
seat?
my mom is calling me. I'm so stressed out. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm the driver. So it's
Okay.
like, I can talk to you, but...
Yeah, do you mind just... I'll tell
yes.
you what, why don't we... Since we're kind of in the middle of the road right now, why don't you just come talk to me on the
Yes,
sidewalk?
Mom. I'm trying.
620, yes, ma'am. Can you roll me one more?
Excuse me, police. I cannot...
Yes, ma'am.
Do I have to get out? I can use my name, my number, but
Yeah,
I'm
just
so
because
annoyed.
right now we're on the side of the road, and I don't want somebody to hit us.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah,
right
so why don't we just get out and we'll walk over to the curb where it's safe. And if you got your driver's license with you,
I
I'm gonna
do.
need that as well.
Yes, I do.
All right.
It's freaking annoying.
Let's walk this way.
Honestly, in like real trouble.
Well,
Even if I'm not in trouble, like getting pulled, like this is my first time actually. Like, you could put my name, but I'm nervous because this is my first time getting pulled over by the police.
Okay.
On some real stuff. Like, I'm an entrepreneur, but
Yeah.
geez Louise, like I'm nervous.
Okay, so just tell me how like the crash happened.
I crashed right here on the median.
Okay. And where were you coming from?
Literally from South Adams Street.
You were coming from South Adams
Yes,
Street.
sir.
Do you remember the name of the business that you were at?
No, sir.
Okay.
I was just literally passing through, and I seen the like right here. I hit the medium. I'm not gonna lie to you, and that's all.
All right.
So I hit the medium, and yeah, that's how I knew I was in trouble.
You all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Don't you just have a seat for me?
I will, but I
Yeah.
have my stomach is hurting. I'm on my cycle. My tampon is honestly, I'm gonna be honestly where my tampon is in the car.
Okay.
I'm
Okay. I got you. But
so
listen.
no other. They have no other.
Hold
but,
on.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Gardner, we can't have you go into the vehicle right now because we're in the middle of the road.
No, I just need to grab my tampon. That's
Okay.
literally all. I'm not
Where
saying I
is
need to in the driver's seat.
In the driver.
Yes, I need to grab my.
All right. Well, let me just turn off your car first, okay?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Hold on. Let me just go in there and turn it off. Miss Garner, hold on. You're not listening to me, please.
Sorry.
Let me just turn off the car, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and grab what you need to grab.
Have you gone on the piece of reference or anything yet?
No, not yet. All right.
Hello.
So apparently she was just driving to hit the curb and somehow ended up.
Yes, sir.
over
Like
here.
I told the other officer right here, I did hit the knee, and that's what caused my tire to flatten.
Okay. Well, it looks like you toasted it
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
and went completely
Yeah, I was
over.
gonna say right here.
I gotta make a phone call real quick. If you can just stay simple.
The suspect's mother arrived at the scene, causing tensions to escalate.
for it. It's a tire.
Ma'am, y'all need to
It's
calm
not
down.
your goddamn car. Oh my God. Mom, it's your tire.
Go ahead.
It was a mistake. Let's be real.
All you had to do was call me.
I did.
Hey.
What are you talking about? I
This one's gonna
didn't
happen.
call you.
Sit back in your car. Sit back in your car now.
Why did you come over here with that?
And try my
Why did you come over here with that? You starting a whole disturbance. This stuff can be replaced. Hey,
She going the wrong way and shit.
it happens, but here's the deal.
She
This
wasn't,
can be
she wasn't going the
replaced.
wrong way. She hit the curve, and you can still see the tire marks where she spun out.
That's what she doing.
I mean, I don't know. She called me and told me she flattened the tire, so I pulled up.
Don't be drinking.
So what's your relationship with her? You know her? He said she called you?
I mean, I met her a week ago.
So she called you?
Yeah, we was at brunch.
She didn't call me.
We
I'm
was
calling
just
her.
at
She telling
brunch.
me I got a flat
She
tire,
told me she got a
mama.
flat tire and told me she needs some help.
Okay.
So I told her to send me the location. So she sent me the location.
The
I
car is
pulled
registered
up.
to you or to her?
My husband, he coming. He told me.
Is she the sole operator of the vehicle?
No, he.
So who operates the car?
No.
My husband.
I don't know.
My husband.
Today she was the only person.
She was. She
Oh,
asked
she
me.
told you that?
I mean, I know. She was with me at the brunch.
Oh, okay.
She asked me because you was gone. I told her 2 hours. Be back by 4:30. This up. This is all I got. She was tore my goddamn
Everybody,
Okay.
I'm going to position my car. If you could just take
Yeah,
statements
absolutely.
and then
Absolutely.
we can just send buyer over, or you can stay in with me while I do it.
Okay.
Ma, you don't gotta do all that. We're pulling off after this. You doing the most. I'm the one putting pictures of all this.
Hey,
You the
hey,
one-
hey!
You the one sending pictures of all this. You don't gotta f*** all this.
Relax.
I'm the one putting the shit. You understand? Stop fucking you.
My handcuff.
Stop fucking you. I'm the one telling you, bro.
Get yourself.
Ma'am, can you take her away from here?
Take her ass to jail. She dropped.
Here, I swear to God, it's always something. I'm telling her, it's not you. The f you should have been trying to, bro. That's my mama, but bro, you weren't even there.
No arrest. Stop.
I'm doing my goddamn shit. I just told this goddamn car with everything. You done tore my goddamn shit. Strong.
Ma, you.
Here, if you just hold it, I'll put my car over there. She's back home.
Can I get my? Yeah,
Is this
okay,
your
this is my
phone?
Crocs. Yes, sir. That's my mama. You're the f drunk. You haven't been there for me all my life. You're a fiend. That's been nothing to me. Listen, I've been trying to make it seem like this and that. I never had my mama.
You stay right here. I'll put
I never. I'm sorry. Oh, mommy issues 101. This lady has never been there for me, bro.
It sounds like she provided a car for you and you ruined that opportunity.
This is my mama, but bro, I never. This is.
Just so you know, the crash
it's
starts
not that.
way back.
Way back there.
All the way where you saw me.
What else was it?
No property damage.
No property damage, just to that.
Just curb. I mean, but it's fresh black mark on curbs. And you can follow the tire tracks perfectly to where it's at now.
Okay.
Yeah, she hit the curb way back. You see like the flag sign? Way back over there is where shit started.
She must have went straight. Didn't even go around the roundabout.
So you can see where her tire busted over there and started dragging.
Yes, ma'am. And
So,
yes, sir. I did.
You hit the curb way back there.
I did. And that's what I said. I hit the medium.
Let's
Yes,
get
sir.
you in my car, all right?
Yes, sir. I never been to jail. This is so new. This is
She's got the
Your
rest
actions in front of the law enforcement is.
because
Get
my
you in there every
mama,
time.
like you don't understand.
I get that,
My
but
mama
again,
never been there for me. Sit up here.
All right. Do you have anything on you before?
No, sir.
Do you have any pockets or anything like that?
No, sir.
All right. Is there anything on you that I need to know about before we go to the jail that you're not supposed to have with you?
I was in jail. Wait, 1 second. Wait. I have no record. Why am I going to jail? Wait.
Do you have anything on you that I need to know about before we go to jail? You're obviously wearing a dress, like there's no pockets.
Wait. Well, why am I going to jail? I never been to jail. Why am I going to jail?
We'll explain that in just a minute. DUI and resisting.
The officer's first instruction move to the sidewalk was not a request. It was a lawful order. In Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, the Supreme Court held that officers may order any occupant out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. That authority exists independent of the subject's consent, emotional state, or personal circumstances. The subject's voluntary admission to striking the median, combined with physical crash evidence, established the factual foundation for the investigation. Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, reasonable, articulable suspicion justifies an investigatory detention. That threshold was clearly met here. When probable cause developed supported by the crash, the admission, and behavioral observations, the officer had full legal authority to arrest. Probable cause does not require certainty. It requires a reasonable belief, based on articulable facts, that an offense has been committed. The subject physically pulled away during the arrest process. That act, resisting a lawful custodial action, satisfies the elements of resisting an officer in most jurisdictions. Disagreement with an arrest is not a defense to resisting. The lawful remedy is the courtroom, not the street. Once in custody, interrogation may not begin until Miranda warnings are administered. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. The officer read those rights twice. Under Berghuis versus Thompkins, 2010, the right to silence must be unambiguously invoked. Confusion, distress, or emotional volatility does not constitute invocation. The subject's responses did not trigger that protection. The arrival of the subject's mother introduced a second layer of legal exposure at the scene. Officers issued repeated, clearly audible commands to return to her vehicle. She did not comply. Under most state codes, that conduct satisfies the elements of obstruction of a law enforcement officer. Officers chose verbal commands over physical intervention. That restraint reflects sound de-escalation judgment, but it was a professional courtesy, not a legal obligation.
I probably
Whatever y'all want to do. But definitely DUI.
Yeah, get your feet and I'll talk to you, okay?
You're definitely resisting. We pulled it back up multiple times. Continue to progress at us. Get small, disobeyed lawful commands. And then once we picked her up, she continued to pull away from us and over. And, yeah.
Can you get this up in my mouth?
Miss Gardner, let me get you to relax for 1 second.
Miss Hunter,
I understand that.
I know what's going on.
We're trying to tell
Why
you.
am I in the back of a police?
Are you going to calm down so we can tell you and explain it to you?
Can you please get my mama, please?
No,
Yes, I will
no.
calm down. Please get my mama.
Negative. We can't do
Please
that.
get my mama, please. I promise.
All right, so here's the deal. Did you want him to reread your rights to you or
I just
no?
want my mama.
Okay, so that we're going to take that as a no, so we can't
Please,
explain
I don't
it.
know what's going on. I've never been arrested
Miss Gardner,
before.
we're trying to explain those
I
things
don't
to you.
know what's going on.
Miss Gardner.
You keep saying that, but you're not listening. Now, either you're going to listen and let us explain it to you, and we can get down to the bottom of it so we can go ahead and move on, okay? We can't move on if you keep doing that back and forth. So let him read it again. You going to listen? He's going to read it again.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. Listen.
I can't breathe.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't breathe. I really don't about this. I can't breathe. I just want my mama.
Miss Gardner, can you hear me?
I've never been arrested.
All right. We're going to take that as a no.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Are you gonna listen?
Here it is. We're going to read it to you, okay?
Okay.
Listen.
You have the,
Okay.
Miss Gardner, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not answer any questions or make any statement.
You understand your rights?
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
That's a yes or no, Ms. Gardner. Do you understand your rights?
Do you understand these rights?
I don't know.
Okay. All right.
I really don't know, y'all.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
And I'm not. I just need my mama. Just to come to the window, please.
Negative.
I've been arrested. I'm not refusing it.
I get it. That's why we're trying to explain it to you because you've never been arrested.
We're
trying to explain to you.
Mama.
Listen.
You can get my mama. I don't care about my rights. Get my mama. She right there. I swear to God, you're right there. There's no right. I don't know. That's why.
We rolled the window.
Tell your dad. No,
Window up.
Yeah.
Is this her phone?
Yeah, that's hers.
Let me get her purse for you real quick.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
Give me the phone.
No, hold on.
Hey,
Y'all can't just come say y'all gonna get property at this point. So, if she says it's okay, then that's fine.
Listen, can your parents take your phone?
Hang right there.
Okay, just calm down now.
Just calm down, baby. Just calm down.
Okay, we gonna come get you.
She has your ID to go through there.
Okay, just be calm, baby.
We come to get you.
Come to get you, be calm.
Hush, we come
Just
to
be
get you.
We're gonna get you, be calm.
Okay,
Okay.
it's fine.
We're gonna come get you, baby. Be calm.
Calm down.
Give me a phone, teammate.
They gonna teammate?
She has to.
No, that's fine.
DUI
We come to get you.
you have to. They won't clear you at the hospital.
That's fine.
We coming to get you.
Now, the grades. The officer receives a B+. Mimms was applied correctly. De-escalation was consistent. Miranda was read twice with patience under difficult conditions. Force was proportional, soft, empty hand control only. The deduction. Impairment indicators supporting the DUI charge were not clearly verbalized on camera. On-camera documentation of those observations strengthens admissibility and public accountability. The subject receives a C+. She was honest about the crash. She ultimately complied. She did not assault officers. However, repeated refusals to exit the vehicle violated a lawful Mimms order. Physical resistance during arrest elevated a civil infraction into a separate criminal charge entirely self-created. Her statement, quote, "I don't care about my rights," reflects a misunderstanding of what those rights are designed to do. Miranda is a shield. Refusing to engage with it removes that protection at the most consequential moment. The mother receives a D. She arrived, escalated, refused lawful commands, and made her daughter's situation measurably worse. Her one constructive act calming her daughter through the patrol vehicle window is noted. It does not redeem a pattern of obstruction that exposed her to criminal liability she did not face. Lessons from this encounter. First, comply first, contest later. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest generates additional charges and weakens your legal position. The courtroom is the correct venue for challenge. Second, Miranda rights are protective, not procedural theater. Invoking the right to silence must be clear and unambiguous. Emotional distress is not invocation. Third, third-party arrival at an active arrest scene creates legal exposure for the arriving party, not just for the subject. Obstruction is a separate offense. Fourth, officers must verbalize investigative observations on camera. Behavioral indicators supporting a DUI charge should be stated clearly in the field, not only in a report. The subject was charged with resisting an officer, driving under the influence, and causing damage to property. The disposition of those charges remains unknown at time of analysis. Legal outcomes should be verified through public court records before publication. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.